Air ambulance coming into the hospital. Hive 1. Didn't treat Hive 1, so it's been 5 days. I treated the other one. It's kind of cool. Sun's out, so I'm betting it's probably about 62 right now and warming up, especially in the sun. They're just starting to get active. The bottom board was unexciting, which is good. I didn't do a count. Darn it, I usually count it. But yeah, I didn't treat this one because it really hasn't been dropping so far. Just looking, I see like 2. You can see that there's still brood hatching out in the middle frame and the one next to it. And there's a little varroa mite on the yellow in the center. Got a little breeze coming. I think I see one. I saw one up here too. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to treat this one. I think I'm going to let it go. Let him go. I did have a hive beetle. Dang it. First hive beetle I seen in my hives. In hive 2 on the bottom board, alive, crawling around, adult. So I've got little oil traps in both the hives. We'll see what happens with that. Gonna have to feed this hive because they've only got 9 frames in there, and I would say only 5 frames with resources on it.